time has come for another Auditography special. I already made videos about the other cars in my Audi collection, which are the RS4 B5 Avant, the RS4 B7 Sedan, the RS6 C7.5 Avant, the Q5 B8 widebody, and the A4 B5 Turbo. As we are going through a huge change in the automotive industry with the switch to electric and alternative fuels, I feel like it's a very important thing to keep these unique petrol-powered cars while we still can. And that's why I recently added another iconic Audi to my collection, which I will present right here. Since it came out in 2006, I always wanted one. To me, it was so cool and insane to put a V10 engine in a luxury sedan. Also, the generation I will show here is one of the best looking in my opinion. So I present to you the new addition to my Audi collection, the Audi S8 V10 D3. Powered by a gigantic V10 engine from the Lamborghini Gallardo, producing 450 horses and 540 Nm of torque. Which of course meant some glorious V10 sounds. Just take a listen. The Audi S8 has been a favorite among big luxury cars for many enthusiasts all these years. This D3 generation was produced between 2006 and 2010. This right here is the facelift version from 2009, which is still one of the best looking sedans ever designed in my opinion. I got this unique S8 from a friend's friend that was moving out of the country. I felt like it was a call for me to save this car from being bought by somebody that wouldn't care about it so much and just run it to the ground. I couldn't let that happen. It has a very unique spec for Middle East with a 3-tone interior mixing white, beige and maroon. It is spec'd with everything you can imagine for that time and in an excellent condition. Also with an air suspension already replaced, so I just couldn't let it go. And as you probably can see, I put the original wheels from my RS6 on this S8, painting them in fully silver to fit the rest of the car. There is just something special to have a V10 logo on a car, especially nowadays when we are moving away from petrol cars. This huge 5.2-liter V10 is just awesome. It's not the fastest car on the planet, especially when we have small engine cars doing 4-second sprints to 100 km/h nowadays. You really feel the weight of the S8 V10 and it manages a sprint to 100 km/h in 5 seconds with its 6-speed Tiptronic gearbox. But what this big luxury sedan has that modern cars don't have is soul. The feeling you get when driving this car is just something special. The sound, the quality of the materials, and just the overall feeling. They just don't make them like this anymore. This car will never leave my collection. I feel like it's my duty to take care of these rare examples and keep them in great condition. So if you also ever get a chance to buy a special Audi from this era, don't hesitate. Cause as time goes by, these will become more and more wanted. So I'm very happy that I own one. As we are coming to the end of this video, I'd like to ask you, what car is your dream car? Do you own one? Do you dream of one? Let me know in the comments. For now, I will leave you with some more details of the car and more of the glorious V10 sound that we surely will never ever see in a brand new luxury sedan ever again. That's it for this time. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.